riding my tricycle. As I said before, I'm going to test out this here GoPro or body cam and see how it works out. I'm just going to be driving around the neighborhood for a little bit, and then I'm going to download the stuff onto my computer and see how good this here body cam is. And in the meantime, just enjoy the ride. We're on Louise Lane. We're passing Yvonne Drive, and I'm gonna go slow with this here tricycle. It's an electric tricycle. Before I forget, please hit a like, leave a comment on the YouTube channel. If you see it in your heart, we're coming up to Joel Drive. Gotta make my left hand turn signal here. Yeah, and if you see it in your heart, please subscribe. People who are on Facebook that sees this here video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment on the video itself. Facebook, if you leave a comment or hit a like or something like that on Facebook, it won't YouTube won't recognize what you did. So I urge everybody to put a like on the video itself, a thumbs up. Now we're traveling. Always when you're riding a vehicle, a tricycle, whatever it is, make sure that you drive on the far right hand side of the road so that you won't impede traffic. And when you're going to make a turn, make sure that you give the proper hand signals. We're coming up on Julie Drive, Julie Drive, and now we're past it. We're going to slow down a little bit so this here car can get past us. And I'm going to make my left turn up here, and once I pass this here car, I'm going to go back in the right hand lane, and then I'm going to make my left hand turn to let everybody know behind me that I'm going to make a left turn. And now we're on Little Bell Lane. I hear a car behind me. And a lot of times, all these people are respectful of people riding on, tricycles or bicycles and whatever. And you got to respect them too. Show courtesy. Now he's passing me. We're on Kelly Lane, and I think I'm just going to go straight. They're going to try to turn around someplace up here. I think I'll go into the Little Star parking area and turn around. I can't hear anything behind me, but sometimes I know there's something behind me. When I show them I'm going to make a left turn, they'll slow down for me.